أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Good morning, my dear students. Now today we start next problem of journal. Now please note this question. From the following transactions, identify the aspects and mention the accounting aspects for the month of October 2000. For the month of October 2000. October 1st, Mahesh commenced business with a capital of rupees 10 lakh. October 3, cash deposited with Indian Bank. Cash deposited, here mention bank name, Indian Bank, rupees 6,50,000. October 6, purchased goods for cash, rupees 75,500. But what he purchased has not mentioned in this question. Just in question, purchased goods for cash, rupees 75,500. And October 9, goods bought from Sohan. Goods bought from Sohan Patel. Goods bought from Sohan, rupees 85,200. Next, on October 12, cash sales made rupees 52,000. On October 15, sold goods to Kumran. Sold to Kumran, rupees 35,000. But what he sold has not mentioned in the question. But just to give sold goods to Kumran, rupees 35,500. Next, 18, paid salesman salaries. Salesman salaries, rupees 400. On October 24, purchased a computer for office use. Office use, rupees 2,500. On October 26, amount withdraw from bank for office use, rupees 2,40,000. On October 28, cash paid to Sohan, rupees 55,000. On October 30, received cash from Kumran, rupees 25,500. Okay, now that is your question. Now we start solving problem. Okay, listen. In the books of Mr. Mahesh, okay, so debit column, credit column, that is the particular column, and date column. Okay, so here October 2000, particular column. Okay, dear CR, when I give assignment to you, you are doing some mistakes in assignments. You are writing assignment, you are doing some mistakes. What is your mistake? Now I clearly explain here. Okay, please rectify the mistakes. What are you doing mistake in the assignment? Now I explain to you. Listen, first, what is the first entry? Mahesh commenced business with a capital of rupees 6,50,000. So cash account data to Mahesh, capital account. Most of the students write amount in both column same line. Example, what is the amount? 6,50,000. You write here 6,50,000 in Mahesh capital account. creditor side, you write amount here. Don't write in same line. Don't write in same line. Write below in creditor side here. B. Mahesh commenced business with capital. With capital. Okay. So next one. That is October 1. Next October 3. October 3. Cash deposited with Indian Bank. With Indian Bank. So last question. Question is here. Cash deposit in bank. Not mentioned in which bank. But in this question, clearly mentioned cash deposited with Indian Bank. So we write Indian Bank account data to what he deposited? Cash account. How much he deposited? How much he deposited? 6,50,000. Sorry, this one is at 10 lakh. Sorry, this one is at 10 lakh. So cash deposited 6,50,000. There is direction here. Being cash deposited into Indian Bank. Okay. So next one is purchase goods for cash. Purchase goods for cash on October 6. Purchase account data to cash account. In this question, what he purchased has not given clearly. So we write entry purchase account data to cash account. If you mention anything, purchase machinery, purchase furniture, purchase office equipment, so we write name here. But he did not give any product name, any goods name. So just we write purchase account data to cash account. Exact amount how much? 75,500. Narration being purchase goods for cash. Purchase goods for cash. Okay. On October 9, goods bought from Sohan. Goods bought from Sohan. Goods purchased from Sohan. Bought another mean purchase. So goods purchased from Sohan. We write here purchase account data to Sohan account. How much? 85,200. 85,200. So here B goods purchased from Sohan. What he purchased has not mentioned here, but name has mentioned. From where he purchased. Where he purchased, name has mentioned. October 12, cash sales made rupees 52,000. Cash sales. Sales பண்ணிக்கலாம். But எப்படி பண்ணிக்கலாம்னாக்கா throw cash. Throw cash. So October 12, cash account debtor to sales account. Sales account. Amount how much? 52,000. 52,000. Here being goods sold for cash. Being goods represent padega through cash. Through cash. Next 15, sold goods to Kumaran. Sold goods sold பண்ணிருக்காங்க யாருக்கா Kumaran. Okay, so on October 15, Kumaran account debtor to goods sold to Kumaran account debtor to sales account. How much? 35,500. Being goods sold to Kumaran. Being goods sold to Kumaran. Okay. Next, on October 18, paid salesman salaries. Paid salesman salaries. So salesman Mr. Mahesh paid salesman salaries. Salesman salaries. எப்படி pay பண்ணிருப்பாங்க? through cash தான் sales பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. So we read here on October 18, salesman salaries account debtor to how you pay? Through cash to cash account. How much? 400. Being sales man salaries paid. Okay, being sales man salaries paid. Next one, on October 24, purchase a computer. Here clearly mentioned. See on the question number October 6, purchase goods for cash. What he purchased not mentioned in this question. But on 24, clearly mentioned purchase a computer for office use. Purchase goods for cash. We write entry purchase account to cash account. But here clearly mentioned he purchased computer for office use. So we write on October 24, computer account debtor. How computer purchase பண்ணிருப்பாங்க cash. Okay, computer account debtor to cash account. In question le mention பண்ணிருப்பாங்க cash ங்கிறது credit. Okay, whatever give in the question, purchase computer for cash, you write computer account to cash account. Purchase computer for credit, you write here computer account to credit purchase பண்ணிருப்பாங்க credit purchase. Okay, so computer account to cash account. How much? 2,500. Narration B, computer purchased for office use. Okay, so next question is amount withdraw from bank for office use. கேஷ் டிபாசிட் பண்ணாக்கா we write entry bank account data to cash account. Cash withdraw from bank, so cash is a debit, bank is a credit. Cash is a debit, bank is a credit. On October 26, you write multiple cash account को नहीं देना, ले withdraw account को नहीं देना. Cash account, you write cash account or withdraw account, no mention, no problem. So we write cash account data to bank account. Bank account. How much amount? 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Narration being cash withdraw from bank. Okay. On October 28, cash paid to Sohan rupees 55,000. Cash paid பண்ணிருக்காங்க யாருக்கு சோஹானுக்கு rupees 55,000. So we write here Sohan account data to cash account. Cash account. How much? 55,000. 55,000. In narration being cash paid to Sohan. Okay. If we paid cash, we write entry first name Sohan account data to cash. Receive. Next question पालेंगे. Receive cash from Kumar. Receive cash from Kumar. Receive. So 38. So receive पढ़ना का first cash करना cash account data. Paid பண்ணிருந்தா का यार paid பண்ணிருக்காங்க அவங்க name first. அவங்க name first. Second அவங்க name data ले. So cash data. Receive cash receive பண்ணிருந்தாங்க. யார்கிட்ட நீங்க cash receive பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So cash account data how much? 25,500 to யார் receive பண்ணாங்க குமரன். குமரன் account how much? 25,500 being cash received from Kumran. Okay, so here itself we complete our problem. Okay, so I clearly write here how you write amount in which account. Okay, most of the students write amount in same column, but that is not a correct method. Beginning of the class I explained you amount write Sohan account data 55,000 to 2 kilo. Most of the students write 2 here. So that is a complete wrong method. Here Sohan account data 2 kilo. அதே மாதிரி data kilo இருக்கும். Data kilo இருக்கும். ஒரே ரேஞ்ச் வந்து உங்களுக்கு Sohan account data 2 kilo வரும். 2 யார் 2 எப்படி பே பண்ணிட்டாங்க. கேஷா பேங்கா செக்கா கிரெடிட்டா கிளியரா மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்க. கிளியர் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்க. 2 நாக்கா 2 மீன்ஸ் யார் நீங்க எப்படி நீங்க பே பண்ணிருக்காங்க. எப்படி நீங்க பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. ஓகே எக்ஸாம்பிள் கம்ப்யூட்டர் அக்கவுண்ட் டேட்டா 2 எப்படி பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணாங்க. 2 கேஷ் 2 செக். ஓகே so clearly mention here. Don't write 2 here. Write 2 here. Example this question is cash paid to Sohan. Cash paid to Sohan. Cash நீங்க Sohan pay பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So we write Sohan account data 2 எப்படி நீங்க pay பண்ணிருக்காங்க. through cash 55,000 data credit side கீழ வரும் 55,000. Okay. So please write this question clearly and write answer. Most of students, D college second BSc Computer Science, BCA, A section, BCA B section, and evening students. Most of students, maximum 90% students has not submit your assignments. So I told you today compulsory write this question and solve this problem and submit this assignment on or before 7 p.m. Okay, if you not submit your assignment, I will not give mark to you. Okay, so I request you please complete the whole problem and submit assignment. Okay, thank you.